Hi and welcome to a new tutorial in Fusion 360. Here I will explain to you how to make a V12 engine using Fusion 360. As you can see here, we activated the cylinder head, but now I want to make some holes here using the sketch used in the cylinder block. To do that, the basics is to activate the cylinder block and find the best sketch we wanted to copy and make the rectangular selection. Just select the sketch and use your keyboard Ctrl+C, okay, to copy it, and we return to the cylinder head and paste it. Okay, here as you can see, I activate the cylinder block. As you can see here, I will find the sketch and copy the sketch. Okay, just copy this side because I will make the symmetry after. Okay, and delete some of it. And now I will just to go to the cylinder head, but you have to activate the component, okay, to make the modification on this component, okay, or inside of this component. I will add a sketch in the bottom of this cylinder head. I will paste it like this. Use move to move all of this sketch. Okay, I will use rotate to rotate it, and here you will put -90 and just add and just move it point to point. Just select the point to this point, and as you can see here, you have a nice result. Okay, here I want to make the symmetry of this. I will start with add an axis of symmetry or symmetry axis, and I will select all of these sketches and select this axis like a symmetry axis and validate that you have the other side of the sketch. Okay, now I will delete the two of them because I don't want to use it, and delete all of these circles because just we copy it just to add a reference. Okay, I think all thing is alright here. Just go ahead and cut material here, but you have just to select the profile, the sketches profile. Okay, you have not to select all the blue area like this one. Okay, extrude it with -10 here. As you can see, here you can hide the cylinder block and start new sketch here. I want to offset the earlier sketch, but before this I will press P to project all of these holes, okay, like this. Just select these surfaces and project it on the best plane, okay. Now you can press O, like offset, okay, using your keyboard, and offset all of these as you can see here. Once you finish offset of this, I want to delete all of these and make it only one, okay. Here you can just add a constraint, okay. It will be coincident here. The same thing, you have only just to join all these points. I will repeat the same thing here. I will just delete these. The same thing in the other side, as you can see here, and use coincident to join the points. Okay. Once you finish sketching, press Q, or you can go to extrude feature and press extrude and select off. You have just to select these profiles, okay. You have just to select the best profiles, okay. I repeat that, just to see and select it. Now I changed the view to the wireframe here. What I want to do here is to choose from object, okay. Then you have to rotate just your model like this, okay, and select the surface inside the cylinder head, okay. Once you select the best surface, here you have just to select to make the good dimension here and reverse the direction. Once all thing is alright here, just to rotate your model like this to see what's the result, okay. I think all thing is okay, just press OK. Once all thing is alright, just save your file and go ahead to add another detail. Here I'm going on to add another hole. All of these holes, the goal is to add water, okay, the cold water on the cylinder head. That's the goal of what I am adding all of these holes, okay. Just select, or before selecting, you have just to see the reference, okay. See the view cube here, the y-axis and the x-axis. It will have to be like this. Once you finish sketching, just rotate your model like this one, press Q and select the circle and cut the material as you can see here. The next step is I will add a sketch in the interior of this circle, okay. Select this surface, okay, as you can see. I will draw the line here. I will use it like symmetry line or a symmetry axis. Now I will draw a slot here, but using the best slot, okay? Just add it like this, and I will accelerate the video and just to see the result of the sketch. Once you finish sketching, just rotate your model like this one, and so you have just to change the view. I will using the waterframe here, and choosing the best profile, okay, as you can see here, and extrude it with this dimension. Everything is alright, just press OK. Now I will add another sketch here. As you can see, you have to select just this face and start new sketch. As you can see here, make it like a waterframe to see what's going on the interior of the cylinder head. For me, I have just to use the spline, okay. Before this, I will use a rectangle, okay, as you can see, and from this rectangle, I will use spline to link these profiles, okay. Here I will accelerate the video, and as you can see, I'm going just to add a spline, okay. Use the curve guide or the point guide to make the best spline here, okay. As you can see, add some dimensions and some coincidence point. If you have difficulties on this, please ask me on the comment, or refer you to the first episodes, okay, to see how you can add dimensions and constraint. Once you finish all of this, you have only to select the two of these profiles and add an offset here. As you can see, I returned from the top view to see what's going on if we are in the center of the injector. Okay, validate by OK when you see all things is alright. As you can see here, I'm using the section Analyze to see if all things is alright here, but as you can see here, I will see if we have an error. Yeah, we have an error here because the injector position is interfered with the hose. Okay, as you can see here, we have only just to change the splines we did on the last sketch. Okay, just select the sketch and edit it. Okay, just using edit sketch. I recommend you to use wireframe to see what's going on there. Okay, and change this one, as you can see. Okay, once you finish your modification, just use the same thing. Go to the section Analyze and see it what's going on. From here, you'll notice that all thing is alright. Okay, from here, okay, now you have only just to select these sorry, just to select these features and repeat it. Okay, using the rectangular pattern, put the best quantity, the good quantity and the good distance, and validate. Okay, here I will repeat the last feature. Okay, I did. That's the same thing. I will make minus 90 here between each, and I will repeat this one with this quantity. Okay, just wait to sec to validate all of this, and as you can see, you have a nice result here. Now I will add some detail here. Just I will accelerate the video on the sketch, and I will let you see the dimensions to do it. That exercise for you. Please do it. You know, just to put 3 circles and use a line between each. Okay, here I add offset of all the first sketch. Okay, using the good dimension. Okay, you finish once you finish sketching, just select all of these and make an extrusion. As you can see, you did nice work. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial to make the camshaft.